Hello guys, hope all of you going well. Today we are talking about how you can enable safe browsing on Google Chrome. This is very important. So what you need to do to enable safe browsing on Google Chrome? Just open your Google Chrome and remember do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more technical tips, tricks, hacks and Google Chrome settings. After opening your Google Chrome, tap on right three corner three dots. All right, then little down click on settings at the second last option. After here little go down and here the option setting privacy and security, tap on it. All right, then you need to do go a little down again, scroll down, then use security and tap on it. After here choose the second option, choose another provider, then click here drop down, then click here second option clean browsing family filter. All right, then go back, then go up, scroll a little up, then click here this option save browsing. All right, then you must need to choose the second option. If you already choose the second option, then good. If it's not then you should need to select the second option. All right, when you do these two settings, then the safe browsing and safe search feature is enabled on your smart on your Google Chrome. So this is very important and very useful for you. I hope this tutorial helped you very much. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye, best of luck.